Hello friends, is your car losing power, struggling with acceleration, or showing a check engine light? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0256, you might be dealing with a problem in the injection pump fuel metering control B range or performance, cam, rotor, or injector. This can seriously affect your engine's fuel delivery, leading to poor performance and even engine failure if left untreated. But don't worry, in this video we'll cover what P0256 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0256 refers to an issue with the fuel metering control system on the B side in the injection pump. Your vehicle's engine control unit, or ECU, detects that the fuel control module is not performing within the expected range. This system is responsible for controlling how much fuel is sent to the injectors. When it malfunctions, you may experience loss of power or sluggish acceleration, rough idling and engine misfires, thick black smoke from the exhaust, or even sudden stalling or difficulty starting the car. Some of the common symptoms include the check engine light turning on, engine hesitation or lack of throttle response, poor fuel efficiency, excessive smoke from the exhaust, and a fuel smell near the engine bay. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe fuel system failure and honestly, some pretty costly repairs. To diagnose and fix P0256, you need to locate these key components: the fuel injection pump, which is found at the front of the engine near the timing cover and controls fuel delivery, the fuel metering control valve, or B-side solenoid, which is mounted on the fuel injection pump and is responsible for metering the fuel supply, the fuel rail pressure sensor, located on the fuel rail, which monitors fuel pressure, and sends data to the ECU, the camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head, which helps control fuel injection timing, and the crankshaft position sensor, located near the engine block or transmission bell housing, ensuring proper synchronization of fuel delivery. A fault in any of these components can cause irregular fuel metering, resulting in P0256. Some common causes include a faulty fuel injection pump, which can lead to inconsistent fuel pressure, a malfunctioning fuel metering control valve on the B side, which, if stuck open or closed, causes erratic fuel supply to the engine, a defective fuel rail pressure sensor, which can make the ECU miscalculate fuel delivery, wiring issues, like damaged or corroded connections that cause signal loss between the ECU and fuel system, and clogged or faulty fuel injectors, which may deliver too much or too little fuel. Okay, so how do you actually fix a P0256 code? Well, let's walk through it step by step. First, inspect the fuel injection pump for any damage or clogging, and replace it if necessary. Next, test and clean the fuel metering control valve on the B side, and if it's faulty, just go ahead and replace it. Then, check the fuel rail pressure sensor, and make sure it's reading correctly. After that, inspect both the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors for any faults that might affect your fuel timing. Also, take a close look at all wiring harnesses and connectors. You're looking for corrosion or any kind of damage. And finally, use an obd2 scanner to clear the code, then take your car for a test drive to see if everything's running smoothly. P0256 is a serious issue that can cause fuel metering problems, engine misfires, and poor performance. Fixing it early will restore your fuel efficiency and help you avoid those expensive repairs down the road. So want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Well, check out these next videos: P0195, which covers engine oil temperature sensor malfunction, and P0196, which goes over engine oil temperature sensor range and performance. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.